यार मुझसे कोई क्यों नहीं बात कर रहा है? I just want to say no to their face. Do what your gut feeling says. Oh my god, they're inviting me. Participation, any audition. I feel you. यार नहीं, कौन क्या बोलेगा? College is full of people. Nobody cares. I will be hurt. Getting emotionally attached, influenced by this person. मेरे में उतना skills है भी नहीं. Please, please. You will kind of hate your college. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are fine and I hope you all are safe. So after so long, finally I sat down video. I have waited for so long. Let's not beat around the bush and just get straight into the video. This video is all about college. I am going to tell you guys a few things that I learned in my first year and some things that I think that you should know before entering college, because I know a lot of you are going to college around this time. Disclaimer मैं फिर से बता देती हूँ, this is all from a point of view of a first year student. Like I'm gonna be in second year now, so I have put this video is gonna be very real and raw because I don't have anything planned कि मुझे as such क्या क्या बताना है, but I have put down a few points as you can see that I want to talk about. The first one is very obvious. It's okay to be antisocial or introvert when you get into college. I'm someone you have no idea. Like मैं online कितनी भी extrovert लगूँ, but if you meet me in person and we don't know each other, it's very hard for me to go and talk to someone. It's very hard for me to go up to someone and just like initiate the conversation. It's very hard. I've been a very introvert and antisocial person my whole life, but in college it usually gets better. It's completely okay to be introvert, to be antisocial, to not want to talk to anyone or to think कि यार मुझसे कोई क्यों नहीं बात कर रहा है. It's completely fine. Like let time do its part and धीरे धीरे you will get adjusted to everything. The second point, learn to say no and yes at the right times. I cannot stress enough on this. I'm someone who cannot say no to anyone in like a go. I'll be like, okay, देखती हूँ, even though maybe I just want to say no to their face. But I'm not saying you have to be rude and mean and be like no, but just understand the situation. There will be something in your gut. You will have a gut feeling, and believe me, do what your gut feeling says. Believe in your gut feeling. Do not think ki, no, it's fine. It is a sign, okay? Believe in your gut feeling. You have to learn to say no in college, because otherwise you'll get so many offers, so many things, so many invites that you will be overwhelmed. You'll be like, oh my god, I should go. They're asking me to go. Oh my god, they're inviting me. If you think something is not right, you are not feeling okay about it, don't. Even if there's like 1 or 2% chance that there might be something wrong, just believe in your gut feeling. Now when I say that say no and yes at the right times, what I mean is say yes to opportunities. Say yes to opportunities that your college gives you. Okay, there are so many things to do in college. Like I was someone who would never want to like participate in cultural events or anything, और मेरे घर से भी थोड़ी सी थी वैसी, so that was there. But when I went to college, the first thing I thought कि नहीं, मैं हाँ बोलूँगी. Any opportunity I'll get, participation, involvement in activities, ठीक है, auditions. So any opportunity, any participation, any audition, go for it. Okay, grab your opportunity before someone else does, because this is your time. This is the time to shine. Okay, for yourself, to yourself. If you're someone who is not used to all this, like in school you were a quiet kid, you only did your studies, I feel you. But this is the time. Don't restrict yourself कि यार नहीं, कौन क्या बोलेगा, मुझसे तो नहीं होगा. Don't think about all of that, dude. College is full of people. Nobody cares, and that's a good thing. So say yes to all those things and say no to whatever you think is not right. Okay, you get my point, right? The third one is friendships. Now, a very important part of college, I know, and I have probably heard this for like 1,000 times now, कि फर्स्ट ईयर वाली दोस्ती तो नहीं रहती है. I I'm not going to say that I don't believe them or like I completely believe them. I'm on a very neutral side because of course I'm in first year. What do I know? But I just want to say one thing, that it depends on the individual, dude. It's not written like in hard and it's not a hard and fast rule कि पहले साल वाली दोस्ती नहीं रहेगी या रह ही नहीं पाएगी. There's no way. No, it's not like that. It depends on you. It depends on your friend. It depends on those people you are with. If you will feel like no, they are the real ones, it will stay if both of you want. कि देखो, अगर मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट में बहुत सारे अच्छे दोस्त कमाए हैं, बट आई ऑल्सो नो कि इफ समथिंग हैपन्स इट विल बी ओके, लाइक आई विल बी ओके. ऑफकोर्स मुझे बुरा लगेगा, आई विल बी हर्ट, बट आई ऑल्सो नो दैट it's okay. If someone is wanting to like let go, let them go. That is my point. And I will also say कि if you think that there's a real friendship in someone, cherish it, keep it, let it evolve, and yeah, that's all. I strictly don't believe in this mean girl energy. Like sometimes it's okay, but like you don't really have to be unnecessarily mean to anyone who didn't do anything wrong to you, right? So yeah, that's my point. Also about heartbreak. Okay, about heartbreaks मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बताऊँगी because मेरा ऐसा कुछ ये सब होने वाला है नहीं शायद, heartbreak वगैरह in college, because I'm sorted. But I have seen people getting emotionally attached to other people around me, and I just want to say that it's fine, it's okay to be emotional. ठीक है, ऐसा बहुत सारी चीज़ें होंगी कि कोई आपका दिल तोड़ेगा, आप किसी के दिल तोड़ोगे. And I'm not just talking about relationships, but in friendships also ये सब होगा. Just remember, at the end of the day, you matter. Actually मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा कुछ बता नहीं पाऊँगी, but I just want to say that it's okay, it's normal to be sad, it's normal to be emotional. It's college, you are in a new place, it's fine, okay? Want to meet everyone, but don't get influenced by everyone. ठीक है, in college you meet a lot of people, and it's okay to meet a lot of people. It is a place to meet a lot of people. It's a place to get out of your bubble, okay? But don't get influenced. It's very easy for this generation, especially for us, to get influenced. जहाँ पे influencing is literally a job, so we tend to get influenced by people around us too. वो हम कभी कभी ना realize नहीं करते कि I'm getting influenced by this person, but we do. And that's something you should keep in mind कि तुम सबसे मिलो, सबसे बात करो, सबसे अच्छे से बात करो, but सबसे influenced मत हो जाओ, because everyone is different. Their mindset, your mindset, their values, your values. I'm not saying they are bad or they are wrong, but sometimes it just doesn't fit right, you know. Join college clubs and activities. Don't restrict yourself. Your clubs are such a good thing. अब देखो, मैं तो एक साल ही आई हूँ कॉलेज में, so I cannot say that I know everything about it and oh my god it's so good. मैं ऐसा तो नहीं बोल सकती क्योंकि मैंने थोड़ा ही काम किया है, but you know it's an involvement, and in college you need involvement. You'll fall in love with college only if you are getting involved into it, only if you are participating, you're learning, you're enjoying it. So I think clubs are a very important part, especially if you are introvert, if you are antisocial. Just join clubs and meet the people who are in it, because it's an arena of your interest, right? बहुत सारे clubs होते हैं कॉलेज में, photography, film club, literature club, फिर साइंस क्लब, ओके, आर्ट क्लब, म्यूजिक एंड डांस, एवरीथिंग. तो इट्स अ प्लेस ऑफ योर एरिया, ठीक है? जो तुमको पसंद है उस क्लब में ज्वाइन करो एंड वहाँ के लोगों से मिलो. सो इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज कि यू हैव टू बी फ्रेंड्स विद पीपल हु आर इन योर क्लास, हु इज सिटिंग बिसाइड यू. नो, यू कैन मेक फ्रेंड्स एनीवेयर, राइट? क्लब में कोई आपका दूसरा डिपार्टमेंट का कोई भी हो सकता है, बट दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो मैच योर वाइब, दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो बी योर फ्रेंड. सो इट्स अ वेरी लाइक इंक्लूसिव प्लेस. सो ट्राई getting involved into clubs and activities, and you know दूसरे कॉलेज में जाना and all of that stuff. It's good. Exams and results matter a lot, but your skills matter more. This I'm saying for future, because ये तो मैंने खुद भी अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करी है क्योंकि मेरे में उतना स्किल्स है भी नहीं. एक साल में मैंने उतना कुछ किया नहीं है. But your exams, your academics, your textbook learning, everything matters. Or CGPA or SGPA, your GPA matters. But don't forget that at the end of the day, you matter. Your own skills matter. तुम जो पढ़ रहे हो वो सब पढ़ रहे थे. So what makes you different? You need skills. You need things that will make you stand out in a crowd. And that's why college में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, group discussion, ये वो. Please try to participate in all of that. Observe, people. So what I mean by observe people is कि देखो मैं ना I'm a very good observer. Hello, I went for a water break. But yeah, so my mom came. I was talking about observing people, right? हाँ तो generally when I think that my gut feeling is saying कि I have a feeling कि ये हो रहा है या ये होने वाला है, वो होता है, trust me. And observing people is a skill and I'm not saying कि तुम किसी को ऐसे जासूसी करो किसी पे and फिर किसी और को जाके बताओ, नहीं, I'm not talking about that. It's just be aware, be self-aware and be aware of your surroundings, be aware of the people you are with, ठीक है, because that matters a lot. Second last thing is hostel or PG life. Now for those of you know, I used to live in a PG. फिर मेरा बहुत तबीयत ख़राब हुआ, that's why I'm studying from home right now and I'm probably not gonna go back in PG, which I'm not gonna talk about because if I think about it, I'm gonna break down again. So we're gonna ignore that. But please, please, please take care of yourself if you are in a hostel or PG. I know बहुत tough होता है. I know एक तो खाना, ठीक है, घर का खाना नहीं मिलता. You have no idea what to eat, ठीक है. But please बाहर से ऑर्डर करके मत खाओ हर रोज़ पार्टी करने मत चले जाओ. Even if you are in a PG or hostel, please थोड़ा सा अपना ध्यान रखो, be disciplined. And if you are from another state, that's तो like gone only. तो if you are from another state, then please just take even more care क्योंकि आप भाग के नहीं जा सकते घर. Also be aware आप किसके साथ रह रहे हो, like I mean your roommate and stuff. Storage is totally gone, ठीक है, मैं पता नहीं कितनी देर शूट कर पाऊँगी. If your roommate is not good, speak up, don't be shy, don't be like नहीं मुझे नहीं बोलना ये वो. Like stand up for yourself and just be very confident when you have to speak about anything that's problematic to you, that's not okay to you. Just speak up, okay, because you're living with that person in the same room, so it's important you adjust well. The last thing that I would like to say is that don't expect everyone to have the same mindset like you do, because everyone comes from a different background, everyone comes from a different place, a different state maybe, so everyone will not be the same and that's okay. Some people will not have the same values as you, some people maybe will have better skills than you, so surround yourself with those people, understand them, but don't expect कि यार तुम जैसे हो सब वैसे ही है, ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना. And just enjoy your college life, okay, go with the flow. बहुत सारी ups and downs होंगे, even though like I'm in first year right now, I already know कि बहुत सारे ups and downs होंगे. If you're gonna go to college this year, all the very best. It's gonna be very fun. I know college, deciding the college is a huge stressing part, but I have a video called Getting into College and my college reveal. If you want to watch that, go and watch it. But if you're gonna go to a college, all the best, live your life. If some exam did not work out for you, it's fine, it's not an end. Please, it's not an end, it's just a beginning, okay. I know it's hard because you did a lot of hard work, बहुत सारी मेहनत जाती है, but life goes on, you will be fine, okay. And you will kind of hate your college too, it's very normal to hate your college, everyone does. But that's okay. Be also very grateful to the universe, to everyone, कि तुम कॉलेज जा पा रहे हो, तुम एडुकेशन ले पा रहे हो, that's a big thing, and just be very grateful for it. And that will be it for this video. Be happy, be safe, all the best for college, all the best for any exam you have, and share this video with your friends, your juniors, or anyone you want to. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being here, it means a lot to me. Please subscribe kar dena if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.